Okay, guys, we're back with another video. Today we're playing Subway Surfers. Surfers or Surf? I think it's just Subway Surf. Yeah. The reason I'm so quiet is because well, it's freaking, guys. But anyway, we're just gonna play Subway Surfers. Okay. So yeah, X and let's play. Okay. Oh, that's pretty. I almost fell and died. Okay, so yes, I have to be. Oh, guys, I can be quiet. I have to be quiet, but it's okay. Like, my door's closed. So, okay, so yeah. Guys, I don't know what to do. Sorry, I almost fell and died. No. Survive, and I died. Okay, let's see here, play. Yeah. I wonder where we're at. I didn't really pay attention to where we were at or read the thing. So yeah, looks like China because of the letters China. Somewhere in Asia. I know that. Asia, South Korea, or North Korea. One of those places. Just judging by the sign. Yeah. See. Advanced. Wow. Like, yeah. Nope. I dodged a bullet there. A train bullet. Some people call trains like the speeding metal bullet. Or something like that. I don't know. I know it's something like that. So, yeah. No! Crap, I died again. I used this. Fuck. How did I die 2 times? Oh, crap. Yep, stupid guy. Okay. How am I still going? Go. Oh, crap. I will redeem my drawback. Oh my god, you saw close I was falling there, guys. Oh. Oh my god, guys, it's going fast now. Honestly, I don't know why I'm so surprised. Surf always goes fast once you go deep. Okay. I don't have enough. What I got Mr. Box win. Let's see what I get. I got 1,000 coins. There you go. Yeah, boy. Go. Guys, I think I'm only gonna be doing a little bit because I'm very tired. Ugh. I should have never got these boots of torture. Okay. guys, yeah. So what should I do? I don't know. Guys, tomorrow, I feel like I'm gonna make another video tomorrow. But what should it be about? Oh, guys, guess what? Tomorrow I'm gonna go see Detective Pikachu. Yeah. I heard actually it's supposed to be a real funny movie. Cause, what's his name? Well, yeah, Ryan Reynolds is playing as Pikachu. He's like a really funny actor. I'm serious. He played actually lots of actors. Lots of people, I mean. So, yeah. And his most funniest character so far is Deadpool. That's his funniest character. Double jump! Oh! It actually worked. I'm surprised. Double jump! Horrible, horrible time for it to run out. It's like you saw how it ran out. That impeccable timing for it to run out. And I did not mean to get the magnet. Okay, actually, you know, there's a magnet right here, so I could have got that anyways. Guys, it's going so fast. I don't know why. Mommy, help! Ah! Alright, guys, that's the end of this video. See ya.